You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in British English. The Americans say it differently, by the way, if you want to learn how they pronounce it. An alternative pronunciations in English, stay tuned. Lower, that's your British English pronunciation used in the UK. Lower. The R is not really pronounced, in some parts at least of the UK, in British English pronunciation. Some may say it as lower or lower. The Americans say it as, here is the video you should watch to learn that. I hope this was useful. Remember, lower, how to pronounce lower. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.